G'day folks, welcome to the show. Tonight's episode, just getting out. Been a while since I've been on the bike. Just getting a Saturday afternoon ride in, enjoying the sunshine while we still have some. Crisp day here in Tassie today, but a cracker. So kick back, grab yourself a bevy and enjoy the show. Cheers, let's go. We're just going to head off, do a bit of a loop through Longford and Cressy. Just a short, sharp one today, a bit of a drive around in the countryside, if you will. Might stop at the bakery at Cressy, grab myself a pie or a Cornish pasty if they've got any left. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Beautiful country town of Longford. Another revenue raiser here in Longford. This is 60 k's. Give them a wave. Check out this hot rod. Nice. Okay, we're at Cressy. Chugging through here, the 50k speed limit. So Squirt and I stopped in at the bakehouse at Cressy and had some lunch. I had a Cornish pasty with sauce and a coffee, of course, and Squirt had a mini pizza, the biggest mini pizza I've ever seen, and and a milkshake. We had a bit of a catch up. Dad and daughter yarn, and now we're just heading back to town. How is that view? A beautiful autumn day. Through beautiful downtown Longford and heading home. Thank you so much for joining us today. I know it was just a short sweet one, but a bit of a fiddle with the camera and playing with some new shots and opportunities on such a beautiful autumn day. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. Let's go.